In this video, I am unboxing the Mi Home Security Camera 360 degrees in 1080p. Hi, my name is Ivana, and on this channel I make lifestyle and personal development videos. In case you're not yet subscribed, make sure to quickly click that subscribe button. But without further ado, let's get into unboxing this little baby. In case you are not aware, just recently I adopted an indie dog named Bambi. Bambi is a very sweet dog who doesn't even bark, who doesn't chase other dogs, doesn't pee and poop in the house, no nothing. However, Bambi has a bad habit of stealing food. Sometimes that's funny when she steals my flatmate's lunch of 2 omelets. Sometimes, however, it's really not funny because recently she stole a bag of biscuits in which there was a bourbon biscuits which contain chocolate, which is toxic for dogs. Luckily, things ended well because the amount of biscuits that she consumed, about 5 or 6, was not enough to be toxic for her. But as you can understand, dog mommy, got very scared, and I got this to keep an eye on my dog when I'm away from home. And also, obviously, chocolate is banned from my house, but that's a topic for a different day. We are unboxing this camera today because I really want to see what is in it, and if you maybe need a camera, you know, for your home security, even if you don't have a dog, maybe you want to keep an eye on your kid when they're in their room or something like that. Let's see if this camera will do the job and what the first impressions are. So the camera comes in this small box, which I really like. I don't like big boxes or too much packaging because of waste. We want to prevent as much waste as possible, and this looks really good. Yeah, just opening the box here. There are 2 stickers on the side. Okay, what will this look like? I think, okay, there's a little pull thingy on the top, and then another pull thingy. Okay, so I think this might be the accessories. I'll check that out in a little bit. And then over here, this is very efficiently packaged, I have to say. It's quite nice. Then we have the camera. Oh, it looks actually quite aesthetically pleasing, I have to say. It looks like one of those robots from that movie, not WALL-E. Here, it's a very cute movie. But this looks good, very aesthetically pleasing. Nice. Yeah, this is something that you can definitely put somewhere in a corner, and it will not just, you know, not attract too much attention, but actually also look kind of cute, like a house robot. And it's not too big, so it wouldn't be in the way, not too many branding. This is the white version. There's a speaker here on the back. This is actually a 2-way camera. So if I connect it, I can actually speak to my dog also whenever I'm not at home. Let's see what is in this box over here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I think this is just a charger. Okay, that's it. Oh, quite efficient. Yeah, this is just the charger. Nice. Is it a long charger cable? Let's see. Oh, as you can see, very nice length of the charging cable. This is also nice. Oh, quite minimalistic. Okay, so that's all. That's in the oh no. Okay, here are some more accessories in case you want to screw on the camera to a wall or something like that. I think I will be just putting it down in my living room. So this is a home security camera with a 360 view, 1080p, which is actually the, how do you say that, the video quality that I also use for my videos. So the video quality is quite good. Of course, not 4K, 5K or those kind of things, but 1080p is pretty good quality. On the packaging, it says that it was 3,999 rupees, but this is why I love Amazon, because on Amazon it was actually a little bit cheaper. And the beautiful thing about this camera is that it has an AI motion detection alert. So that's amazing. Then it has an infrared night vision, and the most important thing that I really like, the talkback feature. As you can see in the instructions over here, there is an app that you can connect it to. You can scan the QR code to download the app, the home app, and then you can install a micro SD card. The micro SD card doesn't come with the camera. In case you don't know, you need a micro SD card as storage for the recording. Luckily, I have plenty of micro SD cards, so I'll just put that in. But in general, if you would have to buy a micro SD card, it's not that expensive. Just be mindful of the transfer speed of the micro SD card. So it's not too slow, but also not too fast for the camera. You do have to be mindful of that. I think that's important to know, that if you are buying this one, that you would have to buy a micro SD card for it as well. Like for now, for instance, if I wouldn't have had plenty of micro SD cards, I would have still have to wait a day or two for the micro SD card to arrive, which is of course inconvenient. So just know that in advance. The micro SD card doesn't come included. I want to see where the micro SD card would go. Where does it go? Oh, okay. Wait. I was just looking where the micro SD card would go, but I found the charging slot, which is here. The reset button, which is here. And then I have to check, where's the micro SD card go? I don't want to break this, obviously. Oh, okay, here. Oh, that's quite smart. I love this kind of minimalistic design. So basically, you tilt the lens upwards, and then very, very small, there is a micro SD card slot here. Can you see that? I hope so. There we go. So super, super important. If you intend on buying this camera, you do need to buy a separate micro SD card. The Mi Home Security Camera 360 can be placed on a number of horizontal surfaces, such as a writing desk, a dining table, and coffee table. It can also be mounted on the wall. Yeah, we're not going to be mounting anything to a wall. There is an indicator light at the top to kind of see what your camera is doing, and then there is the mic here below. It's very, very tiny, so I hope you can kind of see something here. And this, of course, is the lens. Once the Mi Home Security Camera is turned on, please do not attempt to rotate its head by force. If the camera position is incorrect, adjustments can be made through the app. So you can actually move the camera through the app, which is really, really cool. Oh, something very important that I'm reading here. Please install the product in areas with Wi-Fi reception and try to place the device where the Wi-Fi signal is strong. So you do need also Wi-Fi to use this. In addition, please keep the security camera away from metal structures, microwave ovens, or other locations where signal strength might be impacted. Okay. In order to use the camera, you can launch the Mi Home app and select the Mi Home Security Camera that is already connected to monitor the surroundings in real time. The camera's control interface allows you to adjust the sharpness of the image as well as to change the device's vertical and horizontal viewing angles. Additional features such as screen capture or record and remote communications can also be performed. This is amazing. If it properly works without any lagging, I am so happy with this. With incorporation of 6 infrared illuminators, the security camera is able to view up to a distance of 9 meters. Yeah, that's way further than my living room, and capture crystal clear images in the dark. That is incredible. Playback, you can do that on the app, automatic surveillance. This is phenomenal. You can even set the security camera as a shared device under the general settings menu and invite your friends to view the camera remotely. Your friends will be required to download the Mi Home app and log in with their account. But that's amazing. To be very honest, even as a home security camera, if you're afraid of robberies or burglars or something, this sounds amazing. Obviously, I will be using it for a while first, and then actually I do want to come back with a review on how it works and what my experiences are. Obviously, I bought it to monitor my dog, but like I said, you can also use it for your child in a different room when they're playing by themselves, to just keep an eye on them if you're somewhere else, or if you're maybe scared of robberies or those kind of things. This sounds amazing. Well, this camera has become indispensable real fast. I've been using it for a week now. I have finally heard my dog cry on camera. I have caught her trashing the trash can, going into the kitchen multiple times when I'm not here, and it is just the most genius thing ever. Whenever I miss her and I'm out, I just switch on the camera and I can see what she's doing. The camera range is really, really good. I can actually see my living room area, her bed, the kitchen, and the door. Obviously, I put it in a strategic place. It's just absolutely amazing. You can also talk to your dog when you are away with the microphone function, even though it doesn't really sound authentic, so Bambi doesn't really respond to it. Oh my goodness, if you need a good home security system, if you wanna look at your kids when you're not home, or keep an eye on your pet like I'm doing, best investment ever. Mad value for money. Of course, I have also linked it down in the description below. Do you have a home security camera? Let me know what your experiences are with it. How do you keep track of your pets or kids if you're not home? I would really like some tips and insights if you have them. If you think this video is helpful for somebody else, make sure to share it with them, and of course put a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You can also consider subscribing to my channel and joining 2,300 other subscribers. It's free and you'll get a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!